Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing really well today. So today I am going to be doing another unboxing video and today I am going to be taking a look at what is inside the Look Fantastic Black Friday edit. Now this is a box that Look Fantastic have collated for Black Friday. So you have your regular box that they come out with every single month, but for Black Friday they have also launched a special limited edition edit that is exclusive to Black Friday. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily and be sure that you hit that subscribe button and also be sure to hit that notification bell down below to receive updates whenever I post new videos. Now this box has 11 products in there and it has a total value of over £150 and you can get it for £35 if you are not a subscriber, and if you are a subscriber you can get it for £30. So £150 worth of product and you're only having to pay 30 quid. I think it's really good value. Now if you are not already a subscriber and you would like to receive this box for £30 as opposed to £35, just use the code BBNEWSUBBF at checkout, and if you are already subscribed to the Look Fantastic Beauty Box service and you would like to receive this box for £30, then just use the code BBBFLOUNGE at checkout and you will receive this box for £30. I'll leave links and all of the codes down in the description box below if you are interested. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the box is kind of similar-ish in how it looks to the advent calendar, you know, that black and hot pink effect, and then inside it has a quote in there and it says, "Only a morning person on Black Friday." How true is that? First thing you see when you open the box is we have a little edit in there from Look Fantastic which tells us what products are in there and their sizes and what they do, which I think is really helpful because I always find this very helpful when I'm doing these kinds of videos. So put that to one side for a minute. So here is the box and the contents inside, and as you can see there's quite a lot of things in there and it's pretty weighty as well, so there's quite a few things. I don't know whether to go by order of the little edit that I have here or to just dabble and see what I get first, but I think I might just do it by the edit just because it's going to make life easier for me. So I will need the help of my trusty app, Seeing AI, or as I have lovingly named her, Barbara. Don't ask me why, I just felt like her name would be Barbara. First up we have the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. This is in a 9ml size. So this will be very good for anyone who likes to use a collagen based serum, but also the fact that there's vitamin C in there is very great as well because vitamin C is very important for the skin. Now I don't know if I've tried anything from Dr. Dennis Gross before. I do know from the time that I interned with Cosmopolitan magazine about a year ago now, this brand was quite highly recommended and I know a lot of the beauty editors used Dr. Dennis Gross, so I do know they are quite popular, but I haven't really tried anything from the brand before, but it is always talked about and hyped and raved about. I'm going to give this a little pump on the back of my hand to see how it feels. It has a bit of a tacky texture to it, like a slightly sticky feeling, but it is pretty lightweight, and I imagine that the collagen has something to do with that as well, being the fact it's got that particular texture to it, because collagen tends to be a bit more suited to people who get very dry skin, and it tends to mean that any kind of like moisturizers that you put over the top will really stick to it, but that has actually sunk into the skin quite well. It still has a little bit of a texture, like a little bit of a tacky residue, but not that much to be honest. This will be very good for anyone with more mature skin or who has anything like signs of aging, like fine lines or wrinkles. Next up we have something from Dr. Brandt, and it is their Microdermabrasion Age Defining Exfoliator, and it says that it renews skin's radiance, polishes and smooths the skin, helps to diminish the look of fine lines. So I imagine this will be very good for anyone who likes to use quite acidic based exfoliators. I have never tried this brand again before, so I'm not entirely sure, but this is quite a big size. This is a 60 gram size, so you're getting quite a bit of product in there, And I'm gonna get the edit so I can actually see what it says about it, because I've not tried this before.
When massaged into the skin for 1-2 minutes, 2-3 times a week, this chemical exfoliant deeply penetrates your skin to reveal a smoother, more radiant complexity. Dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic and suitable for all skin types.
Now, I'm not entirely sure what ingredient it has in there. I imagine it's probably got something like alpha hydroxy acid in there, or maybe beta hydroxy acid, or something along those lines, perhaps even salicylic acid, because the fact that you only need to use it for a couple of minutes and you don't need to use it more than perhaps twice a week, it sounds like to me that it's got a particular acid in there that's going to really penetrate the skin to remove dead skin cells and just to even out the texture of your skin. So this will be good for anyone who has issues with dry, dead skin, or who gets quite tired looking skin, or who just wants to freshen their skin up. We have something from Eyeko now, and it is their Skinny Liquid Eyeliner Line and Define, and this is in the shade Black. So this will be very good for anyone who does like a liquid eyeliner. I have to say I am more of a liquid eyeliner person these days, even though when I first started using eyeliner I was vehemently opposed to any liquid eyeliner. So this is what it looks like, and it's your classic felt tip eyeliner. It's quite a thin nib, not as thin as I've seen some of them, but relatively thin, so it would be quite easy to get a certain amount of precision, I imagine, using this. Next we have something from Limecrime now, and it is their ultra smooth lip gloss in the shade Naked Cherry. Now I really like Limecrime. I think they're such a fun and gimmicky brand. They have really cute packaging, they have some lovely colours as well. This is a mini sized lip gloss, so it's quite dinky, which I think is really cute, and also the packaging is adorable as well. And it is a lip gloss, so it'll be nice for this time of the year if I can get it out. Oh my god, almost went flying across the room there. Oh my god, that is actually really adorable. It's like a really dinky size. That is too cute. That is too much. And this looks like it's going to be more of a nudie kind of shade. But let me... Oh, that is nice. That's so pretty. And it's really pigmented as well. I wasn't expecting that. That is so pigmented. That has quite...
recognition due to inactivity.
Are you quite finished, Barbara? That is really pretty. That has a nice bit of pigment in there, more than I actually thought it was going to have, and it's a very pretty shade. It's like a really nice kind of nude powder pink. It's very pretty actually, and I really love the packaging, and the colour is definitely the sort of thing I would wear. And it also has a scent to it. It smells like cherries. Oh my god, no joke. This smells like the cherry jelly sweets that you get. It smells like that. Oh, it just smells like a pick and mix. Oh my god, I literally want cherry jelly sweets right now. Next up we have the NUXE Prodigieux. I never pronounce it right. And it is their beautifying scented body lotion, and this is a 30ml size. Now I've tried NUXE a lot in the past actually. They have some very nice body care products, and they always have a very nice light scent to them. So I think I might have tried this before. I'm not entirely sure. This contains sweet almond and coconut oil, and this has a very nice kind of perfumed scent, but it's really nice actually. So you get that in there, and it's just a good product. I mean, NUXE do some really nice things, and they're a really great brand. Moving on, we have something from Mayo, and it's their... Is it Mayo or Mew? Again, I never remember how to pronounce it. I think it's Mew, but I'm not sure. And it is their Sleeping Smoothie Overnight Serum. I'm not sure if it's a face or a body serum, because as far as I'm aware, Mew or Mayo tends to do quite a lot of body care products. I'm going to have to quickly look at the edit because I'm not entirely sure.
Hydrate and replenish your skin as you sleep with this Mew body serum, infused with a range of house to effectively exfoliate a...
Okay, so this is a body serum, because I wasn't too sure if it was a face or a body serum, but it has AHA in there, which is alpha hydroxy acid, so they are really good at getting rid of any dead skin or any crap off your skin, basically. It's a deeply cleansing ingredient in skincare. So I'm really intrigued to try this because it's a body serum that contains AHAs, so I'll have to give this a go, but I didn't even know that was even a thing, so I'll give this a try and see how it goes. Next we have the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So we have an eye cream in there, which is very nice. So this is a 10ml size, and this is not a brand that I'm familiar with.
This concentrated eye cream is highly effective and can be used all over the face for maximum results. Its Korean formula minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst stimulating collagen production to plump and firm your skin.
So this is a firming eye cream and it contains collagen, and I believe this is a Korean based skincare brand, or it's based on a Korean skincare technology. I'm not entirely sure, but the fact that it's got a firming ingredient in there like collagen is really good, because the under eye area tends to be the first area that shows signs of aging, and also the skin under your eyes is 50% thinner than the rest of your face, so it's important to use an eye cream. Next we have another product for the eyes now, and it's from SKYN ICELAND, and it's their Hydra Cool Firming Eye Gel Eye Patches. Now I have tried this brand before, I believe. I think I tried something from this brand in an advent calendar that I got one year, but I've seen people talk about these particular eye patches in the past, and I think Lisa Elleridge might have actually put these in one of her videos and raved about them, and literally anything that Lisa Elleridge likes or recommends I will probably try, because she's just queen. And these sound really, really nice. These are supposed to be really, really nice and cooling and good for puffiness and any redness, and SKYN ICELAND is a really nice brand. They've got some really good skincare technology and ingredients in there, and I'm just very excited to try these because I love eye gel patches and eye patches. I use this kind of thing all the time, so I'm really excited to try these out because I've never tried them before and I've been wanting to for a while now. And you get one pair in there as well, so you get one-time use.
Formulated to care for the delicate eye area, this fast-acting gel fems, tones and depuffs in just 10 minutes. Hydrolyzed. Elastin combats sagging, whilst ginkgo biloba extract works to lighten dark circles and reduce the appearance of tiredness.
Oh, okay, so apparently these are good for firming and also for reducing the appearance of dark circles. So, nice. Excited to try those. I'll be trying those tonight. We have another skincare product now, and this is from First Aid Beauty, and it's their Ultra Repair Cream, and this is a 28ml size. Now, I've actually tried this cream before and I really liked it. It is meant for dry or sensitive skin, and it contains shea butter and oatmeal and eucalyptus and ceramides, so it's particularly good for anyone who has issues with redness or irritation or eczema, things like that. And the fact that it's got oatmeal in there means it's really helpful to soothe redness, and it's just a really nice product, and I absolutely loved it when I've tried it in the past, and it just feels very nice on the skin. And it's also paraben free as well, so it's very, very gentle. So this is definitely a good cream to try if you've got any kind of irritation, or you've got eczema or redness, or just very dry skin or sensitivity. It's just a very, very nice cream to try, and I use this a lot in the winter time. We have something for the hair now, and this is from Living Proof, and it's the Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. Now, I've never tried Living Proof before, but I have seen them on Instagram, and I've seen them advertised in a lot of beauty edits before, so I have seen them quite a lot, and I've never actually tried anything from them, but from what I have read about this brand, they are a really good hair care brand. So let me see what the edit has to say about this, because I'm quite intrigued to know what it does and what it does that makes it 5-in-1. That intrigues me.
This hair treatment adds strength and shine to your tucks after just one use, with the formula that works to smooth, volumize, condition, strengthen and polish tresses. Enriched with Living Proof's patented healthy hair and thickening molecules to prevent breakage and deliver heat protection up to 230 @C.
So it's supposed to do quite a bit then. It's supposed to protect your hair from heat. It's also supposed to smooth and volumize the hair and strengthen it as well. So that sounds very interesting, and this will be the sort of treatment that you would put in when your hair's wet before you're going to dry it or style it to protect your hair from heat. So I'll definitely give this a try, and I'm excited to be able to try something from this brand finally, because I've never tried them before. So I'll definitely give this a go, and I'm happy that they've actually put a hair care product in there as well, and they've added something to give it a bit of variety. Now the final thing we have today is from Revolution Pro, and it's their new neutral eyeshadow palette. There are some really pretty shades in there, and you've got a nice mixture actually. You've got a mixture between matte and glittery shimmery shades, you've got some proper full-on glitter shades, you've got some more shimmery shades, and then you've also got these matte shades. So you've got a mixture of mauves and more brown tone shades, you've got a nice green in there, you've got some pinks, you've got some kind of iridescent mauvey purpley shades, you've got some gold tone shades. So you've got a really nice mixture in there. So if you're into the more browny tone shades or the mauvey tone shades, and you like a mixture between glitter and also matte, there's quite a nice selection in there, and I think there's a really nice array of colours. And to be honest, these are all the sorts of shades that I would personally wear. I don't think there's one shade in this palette that I wouldn't wear. They always have some very good eyeshadow palettes for the price that you pay, and the shades are always really good quality. The mattes always have a good amount of pigmentation to them. The glitter shades can sometimes be a bit more tricky, and they do tend to have a bit more fallout to them, so you have to be a bit more patient and a bit more careful with that. But the actual mattes themselves have really good pigmentation and they blend really well. So that is everything that you get inside of the Look Fantastic Black Friday Beauty Edit. I really hope you enjoyed it and you enjoyed seeing what you would get inside this box. Also, don't forget to check the links down below if you are interested at all in getting this box for £30. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe to this channel if you are new, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!